Yes, people, this is an almond tree. Normally, you see them on the seaside and them something there. The almond tree, and it drop these things, almond. And I'm going to show you how to eat almond and get the seed from the almond. All right, so here I'm calling the fruit almond. Well, in Jamaica, we call it almond, but the real name what I see on the internet, they call it Tropical Sea Almond. That is this, Tropical Sea Almond. And I see they call it Indian almond. The almond in Jamaica, in America, is different because that one on the tree, it open and you can see the seed in it from when it's growing. This one is a whole different one. That's why a lot of people don't know how to deal with it. So this almond or tropical sea almond, how we deal with it in Jamaica, it have like 3 different layers. You have the skin, and below the skin there's our next layer where you can chew it up and get the juice from that layer. And below that is the seed itself, which you have to use a hammer to lick it to just get to the nut inside. So it's different from the American one. So this one is like a regular size one. I went downtown and I saw an almond tree, some big one. I tried to use it for the video, but them get, them in the car and them something, and them get brown and lose them everything, So I got these one today, fresh out the tree. So I'm gonna eat one and let you see. So first I'm gonna eat the skin off it. So to get to the next layer. So get the skin. And so I'm gonna take the skin off, see? You can see. Leave our next layer. This is the skin. I'm taking off the skin. Leave the next layer. So the first layer is the skin. Skin is nice, you can eat the skin. Now I'm using my teeth and peel it out. What you want to see? What is what? And almond is something I love. I love. The youth them don't know if you eat it. So I'm showing you what is what. So I eat out the skin. All the skin come off. What the skin can eat. I'm feeling very nice. So you have to eat the skin, the next part now, this thing. You have to bite it off because the seed that is in it is very hard. You have to bite this thing off the seed. So for the second layer, you only can chew it up and get the juice from it. It's kind of rough, so you don't want to swallow that. The second layer. And the third thing now is to break this and get to the nut inside. All right, let's go outside and do that. So with a hard surface, you see? You see? I'm gonna break it to get the. Sometimes I'm wait till it dry and then something. And to get to the seed. But it's ready at any point. I don't want to break it up. And it's very hard. Alright, here, crack there. So I'm gonna open it. Whoa, so some of them not having nothing, normally the seed will not in here. So, well, this one don't have nothing. So I get the next one. No. This one too, it not really fresh. I don't want to eat this. So we just take out the skin and thing outside. Because it now start mildew and type of something. But this one is the big one that I get from downtown. So I'm gonna take out it and get to the seed. Alright, I can break that one now. And this one is the biggest one, man. Alright, so look on this one now. I'm going to open it. Alright, in this one, there's a seed. It's like the regular almond, but it's have a different shape. See? It's have a different shape. And this now, you break it and you eat it. And that's how you eat almond. This is the last part of it. And it's very delicious. That's how you eat almond.